All right, everybody, welcome. How we all doing out there? Wow. Whew. Right? Wow. What a day, what a day, what a day. Isn't crypto a beautiful thing? Right? Only in crypto can you just actually, you know what? Listen, I used to not appreciate the market, right? The regular markets, but I got to tell you what, guys, the regular global markets have been a fun one, right? You can't say you haven't have been having an absolutely amazing time lately with the markets, right? Because wow, I mean, we're getting as much movement in the Dow as we are in crypto right now, if not more. Like we were getting like two, three, four, five. You know, I mean, dude, it was like crazy. Like 2 days, like 1,000 points, 2,000 points, crazy. So here we are. Listen, the long short trade line is right here. You can see where this is bango, bango, right? Nope, couldn't get over it. Nope, couldn't get over it. As soon as it crossed it, pew! As soon as it went under it, pew! Right? I got a lot of pews going on. And then as soon as we got over it, look, we're right here. And then as soon as we cross the line, pew! Just up, up, and away, right? As soon as we cross that line. So we're trying to cross that line back on the downside. Now, this is a strong trade line. So this actually has some real movement to it. Whether it's 200-300 points, it's like a real mover, right? I mean, you can see here 8,500 points when you crossed from 9,000, roughly 9,000 right there to 8,500. It's 500 point move. Very beautiful. And right here, I mean, well, shit. I mean, this move right here was just gorgeous. And then this one right here was just an absolute bonerific, bona fide wow, right? There it goes. That one before was really sexy. So we're trying to cross now. You can see that we're poking on the downside of this, right? So that's good. We needed a reset. It's been a wow long run. Came up, hit the trend line. This was kind of our running chart that we had right here. I mean, I know you guys all know the charts that we have, especially the members. You guys should be seeing these charts, right? I said, ha ha ha, gonna screw you all. I'm gonna dump on you. Now, this would have to dump all the way back here to be a dump, right? I'm gonna adjust this line because I know people are gonna get super excited and shit, right? Let me don't do this. Let me just bring this way back here because now this is going to be support right here, right? So there's like if we're coming down to something in this range right here, right? We're gonna come down into this range, and I'm gonna let's put that as a green, make a green box right there. All right, there. Doesn't have to. It's a little aggressive there. All right, right. Catch me here. Right, if we come down and pull back, this is exactly where we're going to come down to. We're going to get caught right in this whole area right there. So it'll come right down into this area. And this is where we'd see that bounce. Now, you guys also know I have this crazy funk right now that this is just a big head and shoulders right here. We're gonna see. So this is one thing, right? So I'm gonna adjust this. Let me actually, I apologize. Let me save this for the members right here. And give me a second. Let me find it. Oh, there it is. There it is. I gotta save this for the members, otherwise they get. Oh man, come on, not like that. There we go. All right. Save for all the members. Drop it in the members charts. Okay. All right. Now, here's the next thing. So we got that done. I want to show you this right here. Okay. The dump is looking good right here. Now, here's my 2-day head and shoulders chart right here. This is a 2-day head and shoulders. You look, any pullback, look at that. There's 8,200 or 8,800, 8,822. That's a little higher than I have over here, right? I mean, on this chart over here, I have this a little higher. I might have to move this box. Jesus, 8822 is way down yonder. Woo! That's way down there. That's a steep fall right there. Holy cow. I might have to come back and adjust that. But this, I'm going to come over here and, oh shit. Come here. Come here, you bad boy. There we go. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to adjust this like this and say like that right there. If we did come back, we'd come back in something like that. Okay. So there's that. There's that 2-day head and shoulders. All right. Now, this is why I called you all here. This is why I wanted to get everybody's attention really quick. And this is what we're looking for right here. Okay. So previously, what I've done is you've got this yellow trend line. See this yellow trend line right here, right? The yellow trend line. Got this yellow trend line, right? What these do is, these are on the blue line right here. See the blue line? So the blue line is our slow moving trend line. This is our slow moving trend line. Watch, I can get rid of this stuff right here. Watch, let's do this. Get rid of the red. Get rid of the red. Get rid of the green. Get rid of the caution. Okay. So now all we're looking at it. Let's get rid of one more. Purple. There we go. So all we're looking at here is this blue line. That's it. We're just looking purely at the blue line right here. You see it's moving along, having a great time. Right, boom, bottom, bang, look, trend line touch, trend line touch, trend line touch, bang, came down, boom, right? And now we are attempting another top right here. So let's take a look. I want to zoom into this right here and get real close like this. You see I've dropped these lines so I can line everything up. See how the lines? Now what happens is, look, you come up here and you kind of move sideways. Like this thing kind of moves sideways. It doesn't, it gives a little bit of a poke up, right? But it kind of moves sideways. It looks like it just runs out of steam. But look at this. This actually, you're here, and then you drop, but it goes up, right? Look, you're here, right? So you're here, and then now this one, look at it. So you were higher, and then your price action went down. So look, you're higher here. Price action went down, and it actually moved up. So it's like it's running out of steam. It's like, and then it kind of falls over. Same thing right here. So if you go up here, you see you come all the way down here. We'll zoom into this bad boy. Let me scoot this over. And there it is. Look, this is kind of a sideways. That definitely made a bull flag right there too. That was definitely a bull flag. And that got jerked back down. But, you know, look, you were here. This is the line before, the day before. And then you just went way up to the next day, right? And then you went over one more. I got to move this over. Sorry. There we go. And then you drop down, and then it failed, right? So you can see how this played out right here. Kind of got a little tired and then just finally dumped out. Now, here we are. Now, we've also got to take in consideration, we've got this price action trend line, and we did poke, and we've talked about this before. It was a wee bit of a nipply poke over the top of that one, right? Wee bit of a nipply poke. Right, so I'm going to say that we did poke just a little bit of a wee poke. So with that little wee poke right there, right, hold on a second. And okay, so with that little baby tiny poke right there, oh God, that just makes me so like I just want to grr, right? I just want to grr. The bottom of that trend line is 9,200. So even if this baby all fell out all the way over till tomorrow, that's still 9,400, right? So we're going to go back. We're going to look at our charts. All right, we got to look at our charts. Where would this catch here? Yeah, look, we're going to have this. Like let's do this. We're going to put this up here, right? And we're going to find out where that trend line is. So tomorrow would be 93.33, 93.35 for the low side, 93.35. So it's still inside this range right here. It's still inside this range. So I like that right there, okay? So we're going to leave that the way it is. But yeah, this is really what I'm watching right here. I'm watching this blue line. Bang, bang, bang. We haven't got there yet. This is it. We have not reached this apex yet right here. We're waiting for this, right? We're waiting for this bad boy right here. Okay? And it can move sideways to get there. Okay? That's it. Boom, boom, boom. And there we go. That's all I got. I'm the Vamp, and I'm out.